So this is a little book of positive thoughts that I made for my granddaughter, thinking that she's going through some things right now where she could use some positive thoughts, and she's pretty far away. So I made this book for her. I made it out of one sheet of paper here, which is just folded, cut and folded in a way that forms a book out of one sheet of paper. And I used a kind of a heavy cardstock, not too heavy. I mean heavier than paper. So here's her book, and so it starts out. Each page has a pocket, so you can take the little pages out. And so I found a bunch of affirmations and typed them up and cut them out and put them on pages for her in this little book with stickers. So we've got, I can choose to have an amazing day. Today's going to be an awesome day. And it went together pretty quick. Here's some other affirmations. I am loved. My guardian angels protect me. Everything will be okay. And she loves Lisa Frank. I do too. That's where these stickers are from. This one's about learning. Learning is my superpower. Fail. I love this one. Fail means first attempt in learning. I grow my brain by learning hard things, and I get better every day. She's really smart, but she gets frustrated if she's not right the first time. So that's good information about not feeling like you have to be. And here's some more affirmations. And so I printed out the affirmations on paper, colored paper, and cut them out and glued them down to the book. I like this one, all problems have solutions. I was thinking as I made this that there's some good affirmations for adults in here too. So I can always find something to love. And I believe in myself, and nature is my friend. There's no one better to be than me. And I think this is the last page. My future is bright. My guardian angels love me. There's beauty all around me. And the sun will shine again tomorrow. So this book was really made with a few very simple things. I found some affirmations, which I will type up and put below this video. And I typed them up on different colored paper and cut them out. I used folded cardstock and made little booklets with them. These two were just teachers' borders that I bought at the dollar store and cut down. So they're the little borders that teachers put on their bulletin boards. And so it worked out great. They're 18 inches long, so they cut into 3 6-inch pieces, and each of these 6-inch pieces folds and can go in a pocket. And then, of course, the Lisa Frank stickers, which I just got a sticker book and put in there. And then I thought, well, why should I have all the fun making the book? So I made her a blank book. So this book has the little booklet, but it has all of the little cards in there, blank. And I'm mailing her the stickers and all the affirmations so that she can cut them out and put them in the book the way she wants. So that's the project, and there will be other videos more on how to do each step of this.